We have another dialect. My father and my mother, they were from the same region, but they have two different dialects. And these dialects sometimes depend on which city you are from or which municipality you are from. There is one municipality there that they speak like a birds. And there is one municipality that their dialect, it sounds like a combination of Filipino words in English. And people speak a combination of dialect in English. And that's their dialect, really. Like it's really English words, but it's their dialect. Turkey kunush. Turkwarma. Yeah. Turkwarma. Please Turkey kunush ya İngiliz yok mu? Melekciğim. I want. There is a strange things that happening today. Just today, I realized in our house. It's very strange. Um, we are. I always use this kind of wood spoon for cooking, and we have like a lots of different kinds of spoon. And there is one which I favorite. I like a lot. I can say favorite. And we don't know where is it. We don't know. My wife, she said, I don't throw it. Why will I throw it? I don't throw it also. Why will I throw it? And it's not in the place. I look around everywhere today, from morning time until evening. I was searching for it, searching, completely searching for it. I couldn't see. I couldn't see where is it. I don't know. In my country, there is like you say, like, and there is in your house. They say there is a belief in my country that in every house, no matter how many people are living there, like you as a family, is example, you are seven members in the family. There is or there are also seven member of family living inside of your house that you couldn't see. We have this belief. And sometimes they take your things and keep it. Oh, I have a goosebump. Popcorn! Popcorn serious. Do you have this kind? Do you know this kind of thing? Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Milex pamyap madiyo. If you dare and handle it, took the apocalyptic accent. What was that? Abi melek dedim video atımcım çok üzgünüm. Melekciğim bilmiyorum ki nasıl yapacağız. Tamam. Bilmiyorum ki nasıl. Bak popcorn. Popcorn. Seviyor musunuz popcorn? Yeah, that's how I made it. O mis ne? Popcorn seviyor musunuz? Popcorn, popcorn. Banner. In Philippines, we have rice pop. You know rice pop? Dish head? Valini, where are you? We have rice pop in Philippines. Normally, the leftover rice, my grandmom, she normally dried it in the sun for a few days and make pop rice. And that's very nice. Popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Hadi bakalım, hadi.